Ganda, may winner na tayo guys. May nanalo na, uwian na. Parang model.
Sabi nga ni ate, ma'am, pipicturean po muna kita ha. Pipicturean ako ni ate. Kanina. Yung okay. Sige, lahat.
Akala ko, ano ka na?
Asa yung t-shirt ko?
Baka may nalaglag ah.
Wala. Nakita ko.
Ay, yung t-shirt ko nawala. Yung may plastic.
Asan yung may
Wala,
plastic?
nalaglag. Ay, sayang.
Ano ba yan? Saan ko nilagay?
Sayang, hindi sinuli dito.
Tingnan mo.
Nalaglag, busy ako sa video.
Ayan.
Wala na, may nakapulo. Ang daming tao dito eh. Oo nga. Hingi ka ulit. Eh, ako'y nanalo nun.
Ikaw pa lang nag-hirap. Ayan, so ilag go na natin si Nissan. Okay na yun.
Mas mahal yun. Oh my God.
Ay,
Bobo
nasapat
ang
mo pala
butik.
yun.
Dapat pala yung isa yung ano,
Oo, yung parang
dry
yung
fit lang.
maganda. Saan mo na? Nawala.
Dito, sinuksok ko lang eh. Wala naman nagbalik. Hmm? Ah. Mamaya, doon dito tayo sa harap kasi pangit dyan sa likod eh. Dito.
You're welcome, sir. Oh, by the way, we also have our service on view.
Ayan, dyan. Yan, sa harap. Ito. Sa information. Sorry. So after sa Nissan guys, MG naman, magkatabi lang sila yan. Matteo Godicelli. Sara Geronimo pala yun.
Disney Princess din. Correct. Totoo.
Bad trip, nalaglag yun na pala nula naming Jimny t-shirt guys.
Excited yung mga wifi ko, walang ka-effort.
Very good ko.
I like it.
Nalungkot ako sa Jimny ko.
Ikaw yung naghirap doon, dinala.
Wala talaga dyan?
Wala. Naka-plastic yun eh. At saka
Bobong
malapad
butik.
yun.
Ginanon ko yan dito tapos nilagay ko dito. Wala na.
What's this? Pang ano?
Ginanon yun,
Open
dinikit.
fork.
Ilagay mo dito.
I see.
Ba't mo hanawakan? Masusugatan ka.
Hindi baka malaglag ha.
Ah, bento. Si Toyota, wala nang dinisplay si Toyota.
Anong like all grabe?
Tara, si BYD. Oo nga eh.
Ano, binidyo mo yan?
Hindi, sports car ni MG. E-car daw to eh, na sports car. Uy.
Sabi ko, ate ka na have one. I already have one. Iba talaga. Ay, ang ganda. Wala pa. Sino lapit sa'yo? Sino lapit sa'yo? Sabi ni Kuya Mark, ibayin mo na yan, ang ganda, yung pera.
Sino?
Kuya Mark. Sabi ni Mel, ganda te. Ganyan talaga ng kumukha na kapatid.
Pakikisit ka na yan. Pwede ba yun mo? Sige na.
Ang ganda ano. Baka ma-miss out mo yan. Tingnan mo muna. Mamaya na yan. Social media mo. Social media influencer ka na dyan.
Ang ganda. Naman baka naman. Sobrang ganda.
Grabe yung gulong, oh. Malaki pa sa SUV, ano.
Ang cute ng swap car.
Tara na, dino-joke mo lang ako, eh.
Hindi ah.
Hindi mo, tinitake for granted mo lang yung pagpunta rito, eh. Sorry po, sorry po.
Babalikan natin yung pinaka-text. Hindi tayo na sa video. Kasi wala pa tayong log sa kanya. Kaya pwede. Uy, grabe siya. Hinala siya na feel na.
Namantsahan ako.
Saan? Kape?
Hindi, oo. Kaya ako nalungkot. Hindi naman. Hindi dahil sa ano. Nalungkot ako sa t-shirt. Gawa. Ang daming tao, tas di po pulutin yun. Libre na. Ferrari. Ito, GAC, oh. Nandyan yung kay Ma'am Rosal. Ayan, try mo dyan, baka may libre sila. Paano manalo ng may giveaways ba? May giveaways kayo, kuya? Giveaways?
Pero po ba?
Ayan, meron dawan.
As a woman, I always need to keep up with the speed of life. And no matter how fast, I am always in for the ride.
Ito guys, Ferrari guys.
Sunshade. Pero magkakasama tayo.
Grabe yung ano, pinto niya.
Future and I imagine. Exactly. I'm ready for whatever comes my way.
Hello, everyone. Begin your electrifying journey with Chana. Explore our bold new line of energy vehicles designed for your lifestyle. As we drive towards the new era of mobility, we invite you to head over to our registration area or approach any of our SCs and take the first step in your EV journey with Chana. Scan our QR code and take part in our activities for a chance to win special prizes. Post your photos on socials with the hashtags. Hashtag champion.
Ion Plus.
Hashtag get that.
Yun talaga yun. Trending na sa kanila yung gantong ay, ang ganda. Ganda sa loob guys.
We got special guests.
Napaka-luxurious. Ayun. Ganda, bago siguro to nila. Grabe. Ganda.
Your electrifying journey begins here with China. It's an electrifying day here at the Giant booth. And it'll be getting better. Don't miss out on the special appearance of our surprise guests later this afternoon. Come back and Ashton Live. Get the full China experience from test drives to exclusive prizes. Start your journey.
Ganon pala yung behind the scene dito, guys. Ay, grabe, ganda ng grill nito. Kung yung pinto niya, ginaya niya sa ibang cars niya, ganito sa MCO ba to? Ganda siya. Thank you.
Para may idea ka sir sa mga natin.
GS8. 2.3 ang GS8. Okay. Ito, ano ba ito? Okay, hybrid. MK hybrid.
Ay papakita naman yung
1.6. Ano lang siya, 5-seaters.
meron akong fan.
Ano?
Meron akong fan.
Gamitin mo na. Baka na-charge yan. Hindi ka na magaganyan.
Hindi naman ako naiinit.
Ganun.
Pag ino-era
Ang gaganda ng ano nila,
sabi
cars.
nila ano.
Tapos ang mumura lang, o yan.
Oo, meron naman yan. Sabi ko, takin lang daw sila pag ano. Actually, maganda siya, Han. Maganda yung ano niya, offer nila. Pag ano.
Ayan o, yung
Yung
malaki nilang SUV, 2.4 lang.
No? Kaya nga, ito.
Tapos yung, yun o, yun din, yun. Yun, ito yung GS8
Laki ng
M8.
grills. Yung grills niya sa harap.
3 million lang yan, no?
Diba? Ang ganda. 8-seater na yata yun or 7. Maganda. Ganda. Ganda siya.
Nasaan ba yung ano?
Sabi ko
BPI.
sabi, ito, nandito.
Magtatanong ka na ba kay BPI?
Kaya, pag-ikot, iikot mo na tayo.
Tara, ikot mo.
Sabi ikot ba, tapos dulo siya. Sabi niya, kaya nga, last Monday, nung unang araw daw nandito si Raisa. Backward na lang. Ngayon lang kami.
Dito tayo kanina pumasok eh. Ngayon yun, ito yun. Nasaan siya?
Kaya nga, first day lang siya daw nandito.
Okay.
Ay, kahit yun lang kasi kami nandito talaga tayo.
Like never before.
Try to get a future and imagine. For myself, and for the I'm ready for whatever comes my way.
Oh.
I had this name sa bag.
Lakas makapang mayaman itong tito na to.
Sabi
Nag-tour.
nga, man, ano sila, ang dealership nila Bacoor. Kaya pwede natin sila balikan. Kumuha na ako ng price list. Alam mo ba? Alam mo ba kung magkano to? 2.8. Tapos, ano na siya,
Ito
kompleto na siya ng
2.8, yun
accessories.
2.2.
Tapos, kompleto na siya ng
2.5.
accessories. Oo. Tapos yung isa, 2.4 kapag walang accessories. Yung walang roof rack, walang gano'n. Dito ka na sa fully, set up. 2.8. Ito pa yung tinanong ko, kasama po yung panda.
Ayoko kaya. May discount?
Oh, grabe yung ano. Ang galing.
Grabe, ang mura lang. 1.7 lang. Ang ganda na ng itsura. Tingnan mo yung itsura niya. Yung itsura, tingnan mo, may picture. Okay na, 8 weeks na
Eh, hindi, what? Okay lang.
Even here, yung nice.
No, ma'am. Ano pa siya? So, yung bare lang talaga natin. Yan. So, yeah, that's outside now. Ganun din. Same with the
Ito,
hybrid.
hybrid.
Same plug-in hybrid electric.
Okay.
Ngayon,
Na-test na to? Ilan ang kaya niyang marating in one, ano?
in a full tank and
Full charge,
we can go up to 1,200.
Ang malayo na din.
The difference between this one and the T2, si dito naman 1,300. On the electric only, kasi we can switch from gasoline and electric lang, we can travel up to 100 kilometers.
Ibig sabihin, hybrid din si Tito.
Yes.
Hybrid din siya.
Naka-plug in
Good morning, Manila International Auto Show. Get ready to electrify your
Mas
experience.
mura siya, mahal ni Tito.
Ford X70 Lightning IDM and the all-new Chitour T2 Lightning IDM with the brand new colorway, the T2 Panda. Catch all that and more on our upcoming product spotlight only here at
Si Tito ba all-wheel drive si Tito?
Drive your future.
Two-wheel drive
Kasi yung gasoline variant natin yung 4x4.
May gasoline variant din siya.
4x4 na yun, 4.0 yung makina.
Magkano naman yun?
2,498,000. Parang 10,000 different years lang.
Ito, 4x2 lang to.
4x2 lang din.
Okay. Pwede, ano.
Galing.
Parang affordable na nito compared sa ibang mga China vehicles natin kaya na 70.
Nice.
Elegant, no? Elegant.
Isipin natin kapag nag-plug-in tayo is nawawala yung natin, range na tayo. Kasi we can switch from electric to gasoline and it can switch automatically by itself.
Nice.
Thank you po.
Maganda siya nga.
Sa BYD ka naman, baka may libre.
Wala yata.
Sasayaw pala tayo eh.
Congratulations on your brand new Chitour T2 Lightning IDM. We're so excited for you to drive your future and welcome to the Chitour family.
Your future din sila. Drive your future. Drive your future din sila.
Looks like we have a back-to-back reservation. Well,
Ibig sabihin, pumilit sila.
everybody, come check out the experience and congratulations to the newest Tour driver on the road.
Oh, dito mag-try ka sa information.
All right,
Ayan,
Mia, 2025 Day 3. Welcome to the Tour Experience. Yes, my name is Nathan, and you know what time it is. It's time for another Tour product spotlight featuring the newest Alexi IPM series that are launching. For the very first time here at Mia 2025, we're talking about two new variants of your favorite Jettour cars, only made better to help you drive towards the future that you're aiming for. For our first product spotlight, of course, we're talking about none other than the brand new Jettour X70 Lightning IBM. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, Jettour's family car option has now evolved into the right step since we are aiming towards sustainable mobility solutions. It's only right that the next evolution of this line will be a Lightning IBM variant. So ladies and gentlemen, this is an open product spotlight. Should you wish to dive into this vehicle right here, we invite everyone to come check out as we dive into its specs. Okay, so let's talk about the Jettour X70 Lightning IBM. So this is a family S. This is another X. Of course, with foldable seats fitted with the intelligent dual motor with combined range of 1200
2.3, tapos tumigil yung ano, pero yung premium yun yung gusto mo, diba? Yung maganda mo rin.
5-inch dual screen with 62-inch
Meron na tayong kopya.
Sony speakers for those who want to bring the immersive experience that you have at home to your adventures. This is the perfect car for you. And of course, safety features we have automatic projector headlights, power adjusted seats with memory function. That is so convenient, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, those seats are ventilated and heated as well. And of course, for smart features, we have advanced driver assistance systems fitted na po dito sa ating X70 Lightning IBM series. Truly a smart, sustainable, and efficient option for you and your family for those adventures. Perfect na perfect. Summer ngayon. Perfect to go on road trips. Why not go to your next road trip with the X70? Diba, ladies and gentlemen? Alright, I'm sure everyone is curious. Everyone's been checking out our booth, and they're wondering, how do we drive home our very own Jettour X70 or any other Jettour vehicles? Well, ladies and gentlemen, for the brand new Jettour X70 Lightning IBM, it's available exclusive in Mia's price for only 1,598,000.
Balik tayo doon sa pinaka-main na ano.
Interested, our Jettour sales force is ready.
Pinaka-main na BPI. Doon. Ay, dito yata. Ayun, doon pala. Dito lang pala. Ayun. Para magtanong.
Nakiikutin.
Pwede tayong maglaro ulit sa ano. Para maagaw yung Jimny natin. So, may ganun.
So, what are you waiting for?
Once lang yun.
Your unit.
Ibig sabihin, hindi talaga para sa atin yung
There you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Para sa atin ang
Ayoko.
Uy, baka naman meron daw yan.
Gusto ko siya, pero kung wala ka na talagang choice, pero may choice ka kasi. Gusto mo yung ganyan.
Gusto ko yung ano.
Sasayaw. Oh, hingi ka. 2 PM daw eh.
For each and every one of you.
Mamaya pa eh.
Following Jettour. Since year 1,
Wala tayong nakitang artista. Ipas mo na ulit tayo. Baka may mahanap tayo. Dito hindi ka nagpa-picture kay Barbie. Si Barbie yan eh.
Si Barbie, yung kamukha niya. Mas maliit lang siya.
Nabangga mo. Ayan, ang ganda.
A game. Alright. This one is a crowd favorite. This first game is called Zoom In, Zoom Out.
Ikaw muna.
The rule is simple. We're
Okay, okay
taking
lang.
a photo, a close-up photo of a particular chip or model. If it looks
May bayad yan, may bayad.
your hand and bigyan namin kayo ng mic. If the answer is correct, you get a prize. Simple enough. Let's play the first round. Anyone can participate. If you're passing by the chip or booth, it's our screen. If you know the answer, just approach our lovely staff. Okay? Let's do it. Round one, zoom in, zoom out. Let's go.
Para makakuha tayong picture. And ganda mo yung chan mo.
All right.
Para remembrance.
This Jet Tour models. Yan. All right. Okay. Round number one, zoom in, zoom out. Kindly look at the screen if you know what Jet Tour model it is.
Thank you.
Feel free to answer and you get the prize. So,
Ngayon agad? Ngayon agad?
Yeah.
15 to 20 po.
Okay lang. Thank you.
All right.
Amazing.
Oh, ikaw, selfiehan kita. Hindi na, okay na yan. oh.
Maganda na yun.
Ayan, nagtanong na muna tayo sa auto loan.
Oo.
Saka maghanap tayo celebrity.
Wala.
Mga artista. Meron yan, imposible wala. Oh, sarap. Baskill na tayo eh.
Ako din eh. Unfair. Grabe ang creepy.
Kevin Durant pala nanalo. Ayan. Makipagbakbakan ka na. Mag-inquire ka lang. Dito po yung BPI Auto Loan. Ayaw umutang ano. Nagdadalawang isip pa. Ano.
Let's do today.
BYD na ba?
Damat, natatahanan niyo na ba doon?
Oo. Pangarap ko lang yun.
Sana all. Ano.
Para ka magsumakit talaga.
Okay, sir.